Clear skin isn't about using more products, it's about how you treat and maintain your skin every day. And most people get this completely wrong. So here's a simple routine that can actually help you get clearer skin. But first, let's understand why your skin feels dull or breaks out in the first place. Dead skin buildup. When you don't clean your skin properly, it starts to look rough and lifeless. Oil and dirt build up. Sweat, pollution, and oil collect on your face, and slowly clog your pores. Lack of sleep. Your skin repairs itself while you sleep. So when you don't rest enough, it shows. Doing too much. Using too many products doesn't fix your skin, it actually damages. Morning routine. Step 1. Face wash. Clean your face properly using mild soap like Dove or gentle face wash suitable for your skin. Step 2. Apply moisturizer. And then lastly step 3. Sunscreen. It is very crucial for glowing skin because sunlight can make cells dull and dead, causing a dull layer on skin. Night routine. Night is where your skin actually heals. Clean your face properly because it will wash off all the dirt and germs you got throughout the day, moisturize, and let your skin rest. And once or twice you can use different treatments for your specific skin problems. For pimples or acne, use aloe vera gel overnight but only on pimples, not full skin. For dull skin, use honey mask for 15 to 20 minutes. For dark spots, use rose water, it even calms your skin. For whiteheads or clogged pores, use gentle exfoliation. A simple DIY option is mixing a little honey with fine sugar and lightly massaging it on your skin. Just don't scrub too hard, your skin doesn't need pressure, just gentle care. These things seem small, but they affect your skin a lot. Touching your face again and again. Not changing your pillowcase. Picking your skin. Trying new products every few days. Expecting results instantly. All of this slowly damages your skin. Your skin reflects how you treat yourself. If you stay patient, keep things simple, and take care of your body, your skin will improve. You don't need perfect products. You just need better habits.